hindi man ako ang makina, ma'am. Mag-upo mo lang ako doon sa bahala ng aeroplano. You know, I said, I am 74 years old. And when I decide to travel outside, it presupposes that I think kaya ko. But to worry about I'll give you one advice. Things beyond your control, do not worry about it. You're just wasting your time. There are things in life beyond your control. So do not kill yourself thinking about it. Aeroplano. You take a small plane, it's cheaper. The people people do not have to share the burden of paying. So you want to be frugal about it. You ride the plane. Korea is a little bit far, but your hands is sa Diyos. At sa piloto. Ang piloto, kung i-dive niya, wala ka talagang magawa. Kung ang piloto, bagong nag-graduate lang, tapos nag-take off ka, sumakay ka, it's no longer your worry. So why worry? No, I do not worry because I do not control life and death. It's God.
Sir, last na from me. In the sidelines of the ASEAN Commemorative Summit, will you be having bilateral talks with state leaders, sir?
Yes.
Ano pong countries ito, sir?
Well, security matters. One, security talaga. And it's obvious. It is now the equilibrium of geopolitics. North Korea, then the Spratly Island. The South Koreans are also against the occupation of the South China Sea and the claim of China. This will be taken up because one day, when we decide to really go for it, it will be the Western powers plus Seoul plus Tokyo and Australia, Malaysia. I do not know if I'm not sure of Malaysia if they'll join the fray. Philippines. I love the Philippines. It is the land of my birth. It is the home of my people. Alam pa ninyo yan? Yan kami. I love the Philippines. It is the home of my people. It is.
Sir, just to clarify.
I will decide when the time comes. I will not make any guarantees because I said we do not have even the firepower. And I will never commit to something which will just, massacre. Bahala kayo dyan. Tayo cover lang.
Sir, just to clarify, bilateral talks with South Korea, so that's sure, and then may ibang bansa pa po ba tayong kakausapin?
I'll talk to Korea. But on the sides, ganun yan eh. Pull aside ang tawag nila. Pull aside is, pag nandiyan ka, bibrahin ka, kunyari, dito, halika muna sandali. Then you're in a room. Sabi, yun ang pull aside is, gusto kang kausapin ni Abi o gusto kang kausapin niya. Usap kayo. Wala yan sa agenda. Karamihan security. I said, if it is to the interest of the Republic that I will commit to any, then I will. But if it is not, I said, to the interest of the people of the Philippines, I will never commit to anything that would even jeopardize one life.